Welcome back to Men Health Insights. Today, we're diving into the benefits of a 3-day fast and what happens to your body during 24, 48, and 72 hours of fasting. Whether you're considering a fast for health reasons or just curious about its effects, stick around to learn more. Remember, always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any fasting regimen. At the 24-hour mark, your body is transitioning from burning glucose to tapping into fat stores for energy. This process is known as ketosis. According to a study published in Cell Metabolism, insulin levels drop, and your body starts to produce ketones. Ketones are a cleaner, more efficient fuel source for your brain and muscles. Many people report feeling more focused and clear-headed during this phase. Additionally, your body begins a process called autophagy, where it starts to clean out damaged cells and regenerate new ones. As noted in a study by Nature Reviews Molecular Cell Biology, autophagy is a natural process your body uses to clean out damaged cells and regenerate new ones. Ketosis is a metabolic state where your body shifts from using glucose or sugar as its primary energy source to using fat. This happens when carbohydrate intake is significantly reduced, causing a drop in insulin levels. As a result, your body starts breaking down fat into molecules called ketones, which can be used as fuel. Ketosis not only aids in weight loss, but also improves cognitive function and energy levels. Research published in Cell Metabolism highlights the efficiency and benefits of ketones as an energy source. The term autophagy comes from the Greek words auto meaning self and phagi meaning eating. Essentially, it means self-eating. During autophagy, your cells break down and remove old, dysfunctional components and recycle them into new, functional ones. This process is crucial for cellular health, longevity, and the prevention of diseases. Autophagy has been linked to anti-aging benefits and improved cellular function, as highlighted in research published in Nature Reviews Molecular Cell Biology. By the time you reach 48 hours, your body is in full ketosis. The autophagy process ramps up, leading to enhanced cell repair and regeneration. This can have anti-aging benefits and improve overall cellular health. Additionally, inflammation in your body decreases, and your digestive system gets a much-needed break, allowing it to heal and repair. Some people experience a boost in mental clarity and energy levels, while others might start feeling the effects of hunger and fatigue. Stay hydrated and listen to your body during this phase. At 72 hours, your body reaches the peak of its fasting state. Growth hormone levels increase, aiding in muscle preservation and fat metabolism. Autophagy continues to work its magic, and your immune system gets a significant boost. Research published in Cell Stem Cell has shown that prolonged fasting can help reset your immune system by encouraging the production of new white blood cells. You might feel a heightened sense of well-being and mental clarity. However, it's crucial to monitor your body closely and ensure you're feeling well. So let's go over the benefits of the 72 hours fast. Enhanced ketosis. After 72 hours, your body is in full ketosis, efficiently burning fat for energy instead of glucose. Increased autophagy. The process of autophagy is significantly enhanced, promoting the removal of damaged cells and the regeneration of new, healthy ones. Boosted immune system. Prolonged fasting can help reset and boost your immune system by promoting the production of new white blood cells. Reduced inflammation. Fasting helps reduce inflammation, which can improve overall health and decrease the risk of chronic diseases. Improved mental clarity and focus. Many people experience increased mental clarity and focus due to the higher levels of ketones in the brain. Enhanced cellular repair. Growth hormone levels increase, aiding in muscle preservation and enhancing fat metabolism, while also supporting cellular repair processes. Digestive system rest. Your digestive system gets a break, allowing it to heal and repair, which can lead to improved digestive health. Anti-aging benefits. The combined effects of ketosis and autophagy contribute to anti-aging benefits, including improved cellular function and longevity. Improved insulin sensitivity. Fasting can help improve insulin sensitivity, which is beneficial for managing and preventing type 2 diabetes. Weight loss. The prolonged fasting period helps in weight loss by burning fat stores and reducing overall calorie intake. As you approach the end of your 72-hour fast, it's essential to reintroduce food gradually. Start with easily digestible foods like bone broth, smoothies, or steamed vegetables. Avoid heavy, processed foods to prevent digestive discomfort. Listen to your body and take it slow. Fasting can offer incredible benefits, but it's not for everyone. Always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any fasting regimen, especially if you have underlying health conditions. Thanks for watching. For more information, visit our website at www.menhealthinsights.com.